Thank you for your time today. It's your internet friend Rachel G, and today I will be styling my thin hair into a braided high bun. I want to thank you all for your continuous support. I have over 3 million views, but only 2% are subscribers, and I'm so thankful for my 2%. If you ever commented, liked, shared, subscribed, or supported me on Patreon, I really do appreciate it. I also want to thank the Kill the Snake podcast. They sent me this amazing Circulite and audio system that has increased the quality of these videos. So, if personal growth and spiritual development is something you are seeking, check out the Kill the Snake podcast wherever podcasts are found. I've been using and loving my kids' leave-in conditioner. I'm going to work it into my hair. I'm going to take a small section of a bundle of hair. I'm going to tie the bundle of hair in the center. It's similar to making a ponytail. I'm going to section the crown of my hair and pull the rest back into a high ponytail. The ponytail is going to start right behind the parted crown. And now I'm going to gel down the sides. Please note, if you wanted the sides of your hair to look thicker, you could use dry shampoo, root touch-up, or charcoal powder. I feel comfortable with the sides being thin, so I'm not going to do anything about it. Take the hair tied from your bundle, pull it out, and attach it to your ponytail. The bundle should be at the center, splitting the hair in half. The front portion of your bundle should also be split in half. Braid your real hair and the bundle together. Now braid the ponytail and the bundle all together. The other part, braid it by itself. I'm going to wrap the hair up to create a bun. And the braid will be draped in the front. I will add a little accessory. And this is the final product. Thank you for your time. I do have more thin hair tutorials, product review, and lifestyle videos coming out. Be sure to subscribe for more content like this. Find me on Instagram, RachelG_YouTube. Thank you for all your likes, shares, and all your support on Patreon and for Fake. And I always look forward in reading your comments below. Have a blessed, beautiful day.